everybody, Nicole Minder, owner of Savvy Skin Spa, licensed esthetician, and today I want to talk about a new product that I'm going to have on the online store, and it's actually an eye treatment. So you are going to receive 4 eye treatment masks. You are also going to receive a trial size of this booster that you're going to use with the eye treatment. And then lastly, you are going to receive this jade roller. So what are you going to do and what is it going to do for you? So first off, you're going to apply a small amount of this TGB boost. And what is the TGB boost? It is packed with peptides, which is one of my favorite ingredients to use for anti-aging purposes because you get very quick response or results. The mask is a cooling mask that's applied over the entire eye area, and it's going to help with everything that everybody wants for their eyes, which is going to be fine lines, going to hydrate the eye area, and it's going to help with puffiness because cooling or cold helps constrict the blood flow and it helps firming. For those of you who have come in for facials know that I use a very cold cooling device to reduce inflammation for my acne clients, and I also use it for firming for my anti-aging clients. This bad boy you're going to stick in the freezer. You're going to let it get really, really cold because the stone will retain the coldness. That is going to help give us extra results for this treatment. And then you can simply just roll in the area of your under eye. You can do the upper eye, and then you can wear this for 15 to 20 minutes and you're going to get fabulous results. I had a client test it for me. She texted me back in 2 days and was extremely happy with the results. You can find this on the store. The shipping is for free and the item retails for $50. Okay, I will see you all next week. Bye.